Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get access to manage external storage permission in React Native's new architecture for Android. So in case if you don't know what manage external storage permission basically is, that if you get that permission you will get access to all the files. So it is an alternative to read write external storage permission. Read write external storage permission cannot be used from Android R and above, and honestly you don't require this manage external storage permission. If you are without it, you can create your own file in external storage as well as read the file you have created. But sometimes it could very well happen that you want to read files which you have not created, like your app has not created, like a video player app. I want access to all the videos which are present inside the user's device. So for that yeah, you require all the access, right? Now be careful, like if you are using this manage external storage permission, you while uploading your APK to Google Play Console, there is a high probability that Google might reject your app. If your app doesn't really require this particular permission, you have to explain it to Google on Google Play Console why you require this particular permission. So first you will have to go to this documentation of Turbo Native modules, because I will be copying a lot of code from this documentation. Firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here I have one button called get permission. If I click on it, given that I am above Android R, it automatically opens the settings app and it scrolls down to my app. So here you can see RN app permission is the name of my app, automatically scrolls down. If I give the permission and if I go back, here you can see inside Metro Bundler I get permission granted. If I click on the button again, here you can see permission granted. But for older Android devices you will see the read write external storage permission. So let's see how to do this. So first create a folder called rtn my permission. Then inside that create a file called package.json. Again I have copy pasted this from docs. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Then I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again this has been copied from docs, but here I have created two methods. First, to check whether you are above Android Q or not, because then only we require this manage external storage permission, and second one to get that permission, and this particular name has been changed. Then I have created an Android folder. Inside that I have created build.gradle file. Again I have copy pasted this from docs. Here I have changed the version Gradle, so choose whatever is the latest at the time of you watching, and compile HDK is 34 is the latest at the time of me recording, but by the time you watch it 35 should be out as well, and this has been changed. And here I'm using Kotlin standard lib 1.9.24. Then inside src I have created all these folders. First I have created my permission package.kt. again I have copy pasted this from docs. Only thing is I have changed the package name, and this my permission package name has been changed, and here I am using my permission module everywhere. Then I have created this my permission module.kt. again I have changed the package name, and here these are all the imports for it. We are also adding this activity event listener because we want to use on start activity, given that we can't use register for activity result inside a turbo module. Then here we are overriding this method. So this is how we decide whether we are above Android Q or not, and here we also override this particular method. So if we don't have the permission, then we redirect the user to the settings app, and this particular code automatically add the scroll thing to our settings app, so it automatically scrolls to our app. Also be careful, there are two similar names, like we want the action manage app all file access permission, but there is another thing called action manage all file access permission. Don't use this. I don't know why they have given this or what is the difference between these two is, but yeah, in case if you know, do let me know in the comments. Then here I have created an helper method just to check whether we have the permission or not, and here we override this on activity result, and once we have that, then only we send back true, otherwise we send back false. Okay, then you also go to app src main android manifest.xml, and here you will have to add this permission, read that external storage permission for older Android device and manage external storage permission for newer Android device. Okay, so this is done as well. Then you will have to open your terminal. Firstly, search for new arc enabled. It should be present inside Gradle.properties. Android Gradle.properties, make this as true. Then open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project. Firstly run this particular command, then do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project, and then you will have to run this particular command. But here, instead of rnapp permission, you will have to write your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp permission. So over here as well as over here, and this is our folder name. Once you do that, again you will have to cd back to the main Android folder over here, and then run this particular command. So this will do code generation for Android. Once you do that, here you can see I have imported it something like this, and I have created one button. So on click of it, I am checking whether we are above Android Q. If yes, then only ask for manage external storage permission, and here we get the result. If you are below Android Q, then we just get the read write external storage permission from our Android from React Native, and once the permission has been granted, we just do console logs. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.